Explore the planned tour of our manufacturing facility, from idea to box build.
Welcome to LuxMed, a testament to the Make in India mission, a global force redefining health.
LuxMed India. Operating as LuxMed Healthcare Redefined, a brand of Luxlighting Technology Private Limited, is a manufacturer and supplier of a wide range of medical and laboratory equipment. The company focuses on life science engineering and pharmaceutical engineering solutions, serving hospitals, research institutes, and biopharma industries globally. LuxMed provides equipment and solutions across several verticals, including hospital CSSD equipment and turnkey projects. Includes autoclaves, steam sterilizers, ETO sterilizers, washer disinfectors, and related furniture and supplies for central sterile supply departments. Cleanroom and Biological Safety Products manufactures biological safety cabinets, Class 1, 2, and 3, laminar airflows, air showers, passboxes, and other cleanroom accessories. Climatic Condition and Stability Chambers provides ultra-low deep freezers, down to -86 degrees Celsius, stability chambers, and laboratory refrigerators for research and storage of sensitive materials. Cell culture and histopathology equipment includes CO2 incubators, microtomes, tissue processors, and embedding stations for laboratory and research use. Other lab instruments offers a range of general laboratory instruments and glassware. CNC bending machines offer advantages such as high precision, increased productivity, reduced material waste, and enhanced safety due to computer-controlled automation. They can handle complex parts with consistent quality, operate 24/7 without fatigue, and reduce the need for costly secondary processes like welding or fixtures. Fiber laser cutting machines offer significant advantages, including high precision, exceptional speed, especially on thin to medium thickness metals, superior energy efficiency, and minimal maintenance. These benefits translate into lower operational costs and increased productivity for manufacturers. LuxMed India manufactured with certified zero embodied carbon using solar power to achieving net zero emissions targets and manufacturing sustainable, solar integrated building products, such as solar panels, PV. Metal welding is a process of joining metals by melting them and using a filler material to create a permanent, strong joint. Different energy sources like electric arcs, lasers, and friction are used, and shielding gases or flux protect the molten metal from contamination. Popular methods include MIG, GMAW welding, TIG, GTAW welding, stick, SMAW welding, and flux cord welding, each with specific applications and benefits. Investment in research and development, R&D, is a critical strategic decision for a company, driving innovation, competitive advantage, and long-term growth. It involves allocating resources to develop new products, services, or processes, or improve existing ones, with the goal of creating future value. Innovation and differentiation. R&D enables companies to develop unique offerings that meet evolving customer needs, setting them apart from competitors. Market expansion. New products and services resulting from R&D can open up new markets and customer segments. Efficiency and productivity. R&D efforts often lead to more efficient internal processes, which can reduce costs and improve profit margins. Innovation and differentiation. Intellectual property. Successful R&D can result in valuable patents and other intellectual property, which create barriers for competitors and can provide additional revenue streams through licensing. Talent acquisition. A strong R&D function helps attract specialized talent and fosters a culture of continuous learning and innovation within the organization. Histology lab equipment includes automated systems like tissue processors and stainers, precision instruments like microtomes for sectioning and embedding stations for preparing tissue blocks, and essential tools like microscopes for viewing slides, as well as manual tools like scalpels, forceps, and flotation baths for preparing samples. Tissue processor. An automated machine that fixes tissue by moving it through a sequence of chemicals, typically for dehydration and embedding in paraffin wax. CSSD equipment includes sterilization and disinfection devices like autoclaves, ultrasonic cleaners, and washer disinfectors. Other essential items are sterilization wraps and pouches, drying cabinets, and a variety of furniture and trolleys, such as instrument washing sinks, passboxes, and work and storage racks. This equipment is used for processing medical instruments to ensure they are clean, sterile, and safe for patient use. LuxMed CO2 incubator is a laboratory device that maintains a controlled environment for cell cultures by regulating temperature, humidity, and carbon dioxide levels. Key features include temperature and CO2 sensors, precise control systems, often using PID and IR sensors, and sterilization methods like HEPA filtration or UV light to prevent contamination and ensure optimal cell growth. A biological safety cabinet, BSC, is an enclosed, ventilated workspace that protects laboratory users, the environment, and experimental materials from pathogens. It functions by using HEPA filters to remove airborne contaminants and creating controlled airflow to contain aerosols and biohazardous materials. BSCs are essential for tasks involving infectious agents and are categorized into different classes, I, II, and III, with increasing levels of protection. Ultra-low deep freezer is a specialized unit designed for storing sensitive biological and chemical samples at extremely low temperatures, typically between -80 and -86 degrees C. They use advanced cascade refrigeration systems with multiple compressors for stable temperature control, feature high-density insulation, and are constructed with stainless steel interiors and durable powder-coated steel exteriors. Key details include temperature control via microprocessor-based controllers, digital displays, and alarms for power failures and door ajar events. ETO, ethylene oxide. Sterilizer is a low-temperature system that uses ETO gas to sterilize medical and other heat-sensitive products that cannot withstand high temperatures. These sterilizers operate through a cycle of phases like preconditioning, gas introduction, exposure, and aeration, and are characterized by their ability to penetrate packaging and materials like plastics and electronics. LuxMed looking for offshore manufacturing partner for inline country that produces goods for local demands and supply to reduce manufacturing costs or access specialized capabilities and technology access to scale global business operation. For details, please revert.